Before we get started, we'd like to do a quick orientation on how to navigate through the system. First, we will discuss the login screen. This screen requires you to enter your assigned username and password. Please note that after the third failed attempt, you will be required to also enter a word or phrase displayed in an image. This process helps to ensure that the system isn't under some kind of automated attack. Both failed and successful attempts are logged and stored in our online audit file. Once you are successfully logged in, you will be placed at the main menu screen. This screen has been designed to function similar to a desktop in Windows. There will be two windows already opened. The Announcements window will display information that needs to be communicated company-wide. The Services window will display the menu options that have been assigned to you. The icons are broken down into categories which are Administrative, Operations, Support, and System/Technical. An icon only needs to be clicked once in order to open. These two windows can be moved around, resized, and minimized. If minimized, a tile will be placed at the bottom on the black bar. When clicking an icon, a new window will appear. Most of the screens will open a type of screen we call a Manage screen. We will use document numbering for demonstration purposes. A Manage screen will contain a grid displaying rows and columns of data. They will list up to 15 rows per page. Just above the grid, there are arrows. These arrows will allow you to do the following: go to First Page, go to Previous Page, go to Next Page, and go to Last Page. Directly across from these arrows on the opposite side is a plus sign. This will take you to a screen to create a new row. When placing your mouse over any of these images, a balloon will appear with the description for that particular image on the screen. Above that is the Search section. This allows you to search and filter the data displayed in the grid. Again, there are two images next to the Search section. The magnifying glass will execute a search. The icon next to that is an eraser so you can reset or clear the search values. At the top of the screen, under the screen's title, there are a set of icons. The first one is a refresh button. The next icon is a return or close button. Use this icon to go back to the previous screen. The question mark button is used to display help specifically for the screen that is open. In the grid, there are icons by each row of data. The first icon is a pencil and stands for Update or Change. So by clicking this icon, it will allow us to change the selected record. The second icon is the trash can. This icon will allow us to delete a record. Now that we can maneuver somewhat in the system, let's get started with our setup.